So today we're going to make the heart cushion with the crocheted edge and the green bow. Step 1, your heart is pinned front to back, and we're going to start putting into this hole nearest the gold pin. So into the hole with a hook. So taking your jute string, pull your first loop through, leaving some string at the end. And make your first stitch. So step 3, we're working in single stitch around the edge of the cushion, going into the pre-cut holes. The important thing is to remember to keep your tension loose, because these are large single stitches. Going in again, you may need to apply a wiggle and a bit of pressure to get through the holes. And pulling through, again remember to leave a loose tension for these stitches to sit neatly. So continue to stitch all around the heart as I've shown you until you come right around, coming towards the tip. Step 4, you've crocheted now all around the edge of the heart to the tip. So to crochet into the tip, we're going into the same hole 3 times. And again, this will take a bit of pulling and pushing. Keep it nice and loose. You can see that creates a nice twist around the bottom neatly. I'm just going to cut off this bit of fabric here that's come through. So step 5, we're going to continue to crochet for another 2 inches up the side here as we approach the gap that we're going to create to stuff the cushion. So you've now crocheted about 2 inches from the tip, and you have this nice gap here ready for the stuffing. So I'm going to leave the crochet hook like that, remove the pins, then start to get the stuffing out. I pull it apart a little as it goes in because it has been vacuum packed, just to make it a little bit more fluffy. Start up into the top parts of the heart, and continue piece by piece till you're happy with the distribution of your stuffing inside the cushion. Step 6, I've stuffed the cushion. I'm happy with the distribution of the stuffing. So now I'm going to use the pins to secure the edges, ready for me to crochet the last piece up to the last stitch. So you continue to crochet single stitch up until the last and first stitch that you did. Step 7, we've reached the end of the stitching. We're going into the first stitch we did. Pull through, create a stitch. Then I'm going to cut the string, leaving a couple of inches spare. So I now have these two ends at the back. I'm going to neaten this one through these stitches and this one through these stitches. I'm going to turn the cushion round and just pull these through the top. Just to neaten off. Then you can cut here, and I'll do the same for this one. So step 8 is the final stage where we're going to attach the ribbon, which comes already wired up for you to push through. I'm going to push through right at the top here in those two sides. So get the wire and just wiggle it through that top stitch on one side, same on the other, and pull through like that. Turn around, then just twist the wire to secure it. And about that length there, take some scissors, snip those off, and then tuck the ends through the bottom of the stitches like this, and just pull through to neaten off at the top here, nicely hidden. So when we turn around, we can just arrange the ribbon to sit proudly at the top like that. And there's your finished cushion.